On the eastern edge of France lies a little town that feels like stepping straight into a storybook. And at Christmas time, this space comes alive with pure magic. Today, my friend Katie and I traveled to Colmar, France, to see a town that is said to have inspired Belle's village from Beauty and the Beast. And it's no wonder that this town is known for its enchanting architecture and picturesque views. From vibrant Christmas markets to giant gingerbread cookies and views that belong on a postcard, this location exceeded our expectations and is one you can't miss during this holiday season. Here's a peek into the activities, treats, and sights to see on your Christmas trip to Colmar, France. This was our first stop on a trip to many of the Christmas markets around Europe, which meant we started our adventure by hopping on a plane from the States to Paris, France, and then boarded 2 trains. The first to Strasbourg.
All right, train to Strasbourg, and a friend. And another friend. And now we're off to Colmar.
But don't worry, we'll be back to visit the capital of Christmas in Strasbourg later.
Hi, my name is Allison, and welcome to Strasbourg, France.
For now, we hopped on our next train without a reserved seat, but we were still laughing the whole way because we couldn't contain our excitement for when we finally stepped foot into the storybook town of Colmar, France. Our entire trip was filled with magic, beauty, and true luck, which started from the very beginning of our time in Colmar. We were lucky enough to book the last room in Hotel St. Martin, which is a truly picturesque building located in the heart of the city. When we opened up the door to our room, we felt like we had entered a dollhouse, complete with flower wallpaper, ruffled bed sheets, and a window that looked out into the courtyard. But little did we know the best of the day was yet to come. By the time we settled in and went to explore, the town had transformed into a winter wonderland.
Gosh, this is so pretty.
Colmar is home to 6 unique Christmas markets, which are all interconnected and free to enter. Pair that with a picturesque town that has fairytale charm, and you have a recipe for pure Christmas magic. We were immediately enchanted by the charm this town had to offer, and there were new surprises around every corner. One thing that sets Colmar apart from the cities with larger markets is its cozy feel and personalized energy. We noticed this most when exploring each of the stalls that were filled with unique items, often handcrafted by the seller. It was so sweet to hear about the inspiration and crafting process of handmade ornaments, cookie cutters, magnets, and much more. Remember when I said that this town was the inspiration for Belle's village in Beauty and the Beast? We could see glimpses of the movie throughout many of the buildings, but the iconic sight from the movie is the fountain located in the city center. Throughout my travels, I love trying out new cameras, and I got a new one for this trip, so thanks to Katie for cheering me on as I took a moment to capture this section of the city in a fun and unique way. we were on our way to a market located in La Petite Venice, an area of the town that comes complete with its own river, boat rides, and sweet treats like Colmar's iconic gingerbread cookies, which we couldn't wait to try. The magic of the day was already so spectacular, but there was still more to come. Finally, we found a gingerbread cookie, which is something that inspired our entire trip to Colmar in the first place. These honey cinnamon cookies are a specialty of the Alsace region, and they have entire shops here dedicated to them. Trying them under the falling snow in Little Venice felt like being in a scene from a Hallmark movie, and left us smiling for the rest of the day as we continued to explore. Up, we're riding a boat through Little Venice, which is the area that we're in right now. This boat ride took us on a 25-minute tour of the city to see a new perspective of these beautiful buildings. We were met with a few surprises along the way, including a swan floating in the water, friendly waves from tourists exploring, and very low bridges that we ducked down to get under, which ended up being quite the adventure, but a lot of fun too. We hopped off our boat ride to find that the town had been illuminated with hundreds of Christmas lights, making it look even more picturesque. So we wandered slowly back to our hotel to have a perfect end to a perfect day. And just like that, our fairy tale day in Colmar had come to a close. I don't think we could have asked for a better experience here, and this was just the beginning of our holiday trip. Next up, we were on our way to the capital of Christmas in Strasbourg, France. The amount of magic we uncovered along this trip through Europe was truly incredible and full of surprise adventures along the way. Be sure to subscribe for the journey, and we'll see you at our next holiday destination.